Is your garden looking tired in the summer? Well, today I'll tell you about 3 annuals that are going to keep your garden really colorful in July and August, that you can start from seed early spring, about March or even late February. Now, I am in my mom's garden this year, and I'm looking at my favorite annuals that I usually add in my garden, and I did not last year because I was making some major structural changes to my garden beds, adding lots of roses. So I've decided not to spend so much time planting my annuals. And what a mistake, because I'm looking at those beautiful flowers now and I really realize how tired my garden is looking when those annuals are missing. So let me tell you about my 3 favorite ones. So number 1 are zinnias. They come in such a variety of colors and shapes. I actually had some of them which were really tall as dahlias, and some of them smaller, looking like small pom-poms. The variety of colors is absolutely amazing, and they look spectacular in the summer garden. Now, in terms of planting them, I suggest starting from seed indoors. And the reason why is that although they do self-seed, it happened in my garden, the self-seed plants are not as strong and maybe not so many as the ones that I planted indoors. And I've also did a meadow with zinnias when I threw them, threw the seeds right in the flower bed. And it's the same situation. I mean, I've had plants, but it just weren't that densely planted to show that full effect. So number 1, that was zinnias. Number 2 are annual asters, or they call them sometimes China asters or Chinese asters. And they are just such spectacular, beautiful plants. Again, they come with so many different colors, a lot of them in those really soft, beautiful purples and pinks, some of them looking like large daisies, some of them looking like fluffy pom-poms. So if you are going to create an annual flower bed, having those right next to zinnias is an amazing display. Now, in terms of planting, the same situation. They really don't self-seed that well. They are not going to do as great if you're going to just throw the seeds early in the spring. They will do amazing if you start them indoors and then transplant them after your frost date. And then the third ones are Snapdragons. Actually, I had quite a great germination rate with just a simple packet of seeds I got at Home Depot. You can buy beautiful varieties online, some deep purple, some delicate apple blossom, and kids will love it because of how you can have them snap like a dragon. So Snapdragons are considered one of those cold-loving annuals. So you can start them indoors rather early as February, late February, and they can be transplanted even as those temperatures in the spring are not that warm. Now, if you don't feel like planting indoors your seeds in the spring, here are 2 other annuals that are super great if you just sow outdoors, and that's Cosmos and Marigolds. So between these 5, you can have a wonderful, colorful, maintenance-free summer garden while you're enjoying your time on the beach. Hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more information about plants and garden design, and happy gardening!